Hello students, good morning. Now I am going to explain you trigonometry 10 topic. Last class I explained you sin 3 theta, cos, tan and cot 3 theta formula derivations. Now I will explain you sin 18, cos 18, sin 72, cos 72 degrees. Now let us find sin 18 degrees. So how to find sin 18 degrees? Let theta is equal to 18 degrees. 18 degrees is not a specific value. To get we can multiply, we know 18 multiples, 18 5s are 90. So we have to multiply 5 on both sides. So by multiplying 5 on both sides, we'll get 5 into theta is equal to 5 into 18. So 5 into theta, 5 theta is equal to 5 18s are 90. Now 5 theta can be written as 3 theta plus 2 theta, which is equal to 90 degrees. Now transpose plus 2 theta to RHS, we will get here 3 theta is equal to 90 minus 2 theta. Now apply cos on both sides. Now here apply cos on both sides. We will get here cos 3 theta is equal to cos of 90 minus 2 theta. So we know cos 3 theta formula. What is cos 3 theta formula? 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta is equal to cos of 90 minus 2 theta is cos 90 minus theta sin theta. So cos 90 minus 2 theta is sin 2 theta. Now from these two terms LHS we can take a cos theta common. Cos theta into cos theta 4 cos square theta minus 3 is equal to sin 2 theta can be written as 2 sin theta into cos theta. Now we'll get here, you observe LHS and RHS we can remove cos theta. Now this equation is in terms of cos and sin. We can write cos square theta as 1 minus sin square theta. We'll get here 4 into 1 minus sin square theta minus 3 is equal to 2 sin theta. We know the identity, cos square theta equal to 1 minus sin square theta. Now open the bracket, we'll get 4 into 1 4 minus 4 into sin square theta 4 sin square theta minus 3 is equal to 2 sin theta. Now transpose these all terms to RHS. We will get here plus 4 sin square theta plus 2 sin theta plus 4 minus 3 is plus 1. When it transposes to RHS, it will become minus 1 equal to 0. Now we'll get here this is a quadratic equation in terms of sin theta. So let sin theta is equal to x. Then we will get here 4x square plus 2x minus 1 equal to 0. It is a quadratic equation in terms of x. We cannot find factors of this equation. So we can go to the formula. When we cannot find, we can go to the formula x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. By using this formula, we can write this as x is equal to minus b means x coefficient minus 2 plus or minus square root of b square 2 square minus 4ac. 4 into a means 1, 4 into c means minus 1 divided by 2a, 2 into 4. Now I'll get here minus 2 plus or minus square root of 4 square minus into minus plus 4 4s are 16, 16 1s are 16 divided by 2 4s are 8. Now I'll get here minus 2 plus or minus, this is 4 plus 16 is 20. Now root 20 can be written as root of 4 into 5. Now root 4 can be written as 2 root 5. We'll get here 2 into root of 5 divided by 8. Take 2 common. By taking 2 common, we will get this value as minus 1 plus or minus square root of 5 by 8. 2 1s are 2 4s are. Now we'll get x is equal to minus 1 plus or minus square root of 5 by 4. Now what is x means? Sin theta. X means sin theta. Theta is how many degrees? 18 degrees. Now we'll get here sin 18 degrees. Sin 18 degrees is equal to minus 1 plus square root of 5 by 4 or minus 1 minus square root of 5 by 4. But 18 degrees lies in first quadrant. So the value of sin 18 degrees may not be negative. So the value may not be minus 1 root of minus 5 by 4. It will be positive. So we'll get sin 18 degrees is equal to root 5 minus 1 by 4. We got sin 18 is root 5 minus 1 by 4. But sin 18 can be written as sin of 90 minus 72 degrees. Sin 90 minus 72, 90 minus theta is cos theta. So we'll get here cos 72 degrees. So we'll get here sin 18 degrees is equal to cos 72, whose value is root of 5 minus 1 by 4. Now let us go to find sin 36 degrees. Let us go to find cos 18 degrees. So cos 18 degrees can be written as square root of 1 minus sin square 18 degrees. Cos theta is equal to square root of 1 minus sin square theta, because already we found here sin 18 degrees. So we can replace this value here, root of 5 minus 1 by 4. So we'll get here cos 18 degrees is equal to square root of 1 minus sin square theta is, sin square 18 is root 5 minus 1 by 4, square root of 5 minus 1 by 4 whole square. Now we'll get here 1 minus a minus b whole square, a square root 5 whole square means 5 plus b square 1 whole square means 1 minus 2ab, 2 into root 5 into 1 means 2 root 5 divided by 4 square is 16 under root. Now we'll get here square root of 1 minus 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 minus 2 root 5 divided by 16. Take LCM of the denominators. We'll get here LCM is 16. 1 in 16, 16 times will go, 16 1 is 16 minus 6 minus into minus plus 2 root 5 under root. Now I'll get here 16 minus 6 is 10 plus 2 root 5 divided by 16 root is 4. So numerator only will get a square root here, because 16 square root is 4. Now this is the value of cos 18. Now cos 18 value is 10 plus 2 root 5 divided by 4. But cos 18 can be written as, cos 18 can be written as cos of 90 minus 72 degrees. That is 90 minus 72 is 18 only. Now cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. That is sin 72 degrees. Therefore we will get cos 18 degrees is equal to sin 72 degrees, which is equal to root of 10 plus 2 root 5 divided by 4. So today we found sin 18, cos 72, cos 18, sin 72 values. So students, I'll stop my class here, ma. If you like, please like and share my class and subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you, ma.